Hello and
Hello.
Hello.
congrats on this final season of Squid Game. It is very thrilling. How does it feel to finally have this out for all of you?
뭐 긴장되죠. 예. 날짜가 다가올수록 점점 또 반응이 또 어떤 반응들이 나올까, 얼마나 좋아해 주실까, 이런 것 때문에 사실 기대도 되지만 긴장도 되고, 예, 약간 초조하기도 하고, 약간 뭐 여러 가지 감정들이 막 교차하고 있습니다.
I'm nervous. As we approach the release date, I can't wait to see how the audience will respond to it. I don't know how much, if they're going to love it. And so I'm just really excited, nervous, also tense, all at the same time.
Lee Jung-jae, how did you react when you found out what went down in the final episode? And how do you think fans are going to react to the season overall?
저도 사실은 마지막에 가장 궁금했었고, 그래서 시즌 2 첫 번째 에피소드 읽을 때서부터 시즌 3 맨 마지막 에피소드를 먼저 읽고 싶은 그 충동이 너무 강렬했지만은 그래도 참아야지 하면서 이제 처음서부터 쭉 읽어갔는데, 읽어가면서 이렇게 끝나지 않을까라는 예측을 이렇게 막 생각했다가 또 저렇게 생각하다가 또 아니야 이게 맞을 거야, 아니야 이게 맞을 거야, 여러 가지로 막 생각했는데 저마저도 사실은 예측을 못했었던 엔딩이라 시청자분들께서 보시면은 과연 얼마나 예측을 하셨을까, 또 어떻게 받아들이실까 너무 궁금합니다.
Even for me, I was really curious about the last episode and how it was all going to end. So I remember when I got the script, I started reading from episode 1. I really had to fight the urge to go straight to the last episode and read that first. Thankfully, I did fight it off and I read it in chronological order. And while I was reading it, I had all of these ideas. How is this going to end? What if this happens? Or maybe this will happen. But when I got to the ending, it was something that I could not predict at all. So I am really curious how the audience is going to react to it, and also if anyone out there is going to predict what really happens.
And then kind of a similar question for you as well, Lee Byung-hun. How do you think fans are going to react to what happens with the frontman at the finale?
진짜 두 분이 말씀하신 것처럼 JJ가 말한 것처럼 엔딩은 사실 누구도 예측 못하는 그런 엔딩일 거라고 저는 생각을 해요. 저 또한 엔딩을 읽고선 이렇게 엔딩을 만드셨구나 하고 굉장히 좀 놀라웠는데, 그 엔딩을 보시면 이제 모든 대단원의 막을 내렸구나라는 그런 어떤 느낌도 들지만, 또 한편으로는 어딘가에서 뭔가가 또다시 시작될 것 같은 그런 묘한 분위기도 사실은 있어요. 그래서 아주 묘한 분위기의 그런 엔딩이었던 것 같아요.
As Jung-jae said, I think that this is an ending that no one can predict. I remember being in shock when I read it in the script. And when you get to the ending, I feel like while it indeed feels like an end to a chapter, it is so nuanced that it also feels like something might be brewing somewhere else. So that's the kind of ending I thought.
And Hwang Dong-hyuk, did you always know that this is how you wanted the final season to play out? And is there hope for any more Squid Game going forward?
글쎄요, 제가 이 작품을 쓰면서는 이제 이게 마지막이라고 생각하고 썼고, 그래 이게 맞다고 생각을 하고 있는데, 글쎄 그냥 그런 생각은 만들면서 들었어요. 아직도 해결되지 않은 팬들의 궁금증이 좀 있어서. 특히 이제 가면들의 세계, 그 VIP들의 세계, 그 프론트맨과 딱지나 박 선장 같은 이 가면들의 사연들, 이런 쪽들에 대한 궁금증들을 많이 가지고 있으신 분들이 많아서 언젠가 기회가 되면, 당장은 아니더라도 그런 이야기를 가지고 스핀오프를 만들어 보면 어떨까 하는 생각은 하고 있습니다.
I wrote the seasons thinking that this is the finale. But having said that, I know that there are still a lot of unresolved fans' questions and curiosities, especially about the masked guards, about VIPs, the front man, the recruiter. So not right away, of course, but in the future, if opportunity allows, I am thinking about maybe a possible spinoff.
Lee Jung-jae, I wanted to ask, your character is going through a lot this season. He went through a lot. I feel like standout episodes were the hide and seek and jump rope episodes. What was it like filming those?
기훈이 저기까지 저렇게 성격이 변할 수 있구나라는 것을 저도 알게 됐고, 역시 기훈도 인간이구나. 예전 시즌 1 때의 그런 성기훈이구나라는 생각이 들어서 더 안쓰러웠어요. 기훈이 어떤 그런 커다란 이 게임을 멈추겠다라는 어떤 그런 목적과 어떤 그런 정의감을 갖고서 들어왔지만은 그 모든 것들이 다 무너지게 되는 아주 그런 작은 인물로 보여지게 되면서 기훈이 그 하이덴시크에서 그런 행동을 한다라는 것이 너무 좀 가슴 아픈 그런 설정으로 느껴졌고, 역시 그 부분도 관객분들이 어떻게 보실지, 어떤 감정을 느끼실지 너무 궁금해요.
I got to learn through everything that Kyun goes through in season 3 just how big of a personality transition someone could go through. I also felt like Ki-hoon is a human being at the end of the day, and I felt like it's still Ki-hoon, the man you knew in season 1. I also felt really bad for him. And with this character, you know, he returned to the games wanting to put an end to it all. He returned with a sense of very strong righteousness, but to see him in these later episodes so helpless and seem so small, and also that setup of how the choices that he has to make in hide and seek, it really broke my heart. And I'm very curious how the audience is going to respond to it as well.
Definitely. And then my last question is, did any of you keep anything from set? Like, did you take anything home with any of you?
저밖에 없어가지고
We don't have any, but he has something.
저는 사실 그 촬영 시작하면서 가장 먼저 점 찍어뒀던 게 마스크예요. 그래서 그 프랍한테 부탁을 했죠. 이거 나중에 촬영이 다 끝나면 나한테 줄 수 있겠느냐. 그래서 근사한 걸 이제 촬영이 끝나고 선물 받고 또 집에다가 멋있게 이렇게 걸어놨어요.
Yes, I'm the only one who took something home, so I'll answer that. From when we started filming, I had my heart set on the frontman mask. So I asked the props team after we wrapped, can I take this home with me? So thankfully, they gifted the mask to me and it hangs very beautifully at home.
Well, first of all, I just want to say congrats on season 3. How does it feel to finally have this coming out?
시즌 3가 드디어 나오게 되면서 명기는 앞으로 더 많은 욕을 먹게 되겠구나. 그거에 대해서 대비를 해야 되겠구나라는 생각을 하고 있습니다.
I think with the upcoming final release of season 3, I'm thinking that my character Myunggi is going to receive more hate and that I need to prepare for the hate that I'm about to receive.
Jo Yuri, your character had such an emotional arc this season. What was your reaction with how things ended with your character making that sacrifice for her child?
준이 캐릭터의 엔딩을 그 대본으로 봤을 때는 준이가 일단 너무 안타까웠던 것 같아요. 그래서 이거를 어떻게 연기하지 하는 걱정이 좀 앞섰던 것 같고요. 이제 줄넘기 씬 촬영할 때는 줄넘기 세트장의 모든 씬이 저한테는 정말 너무 힘들고 감정적으로 되게 감정이 막 폭발하는 그런 씬들이었어서 되게 힘들게 찍은 기억이 있어요. 준이가 너무 안타까웠던 것 같아요.
I think with Juni's ending, when I read the way her ending on paper, I was heartbroken, and I think I immediately had concerns of like, how do I do this justice? And when we were actually filming the jump rope scene, every single scene was so emotionally intense for me, and so I just remember just really feeling for my character in those moments.
And what were both of your reactions when you found out that the baby was going to end up being a contestant in the Squid Game? Because I was shocked. I thought surely when your character had the baby would be like removed or something. I couldn't believe that they kept the baby around.
결국은 그러한 상상력이 감독님의 머리에서 나온 거잖아요. 그래서 감독님의 발상은 정말 남다르다라는 생각을 할 수밖에 없었고, 또 그래서 그런 이게 괜히 천재적인 감독님이 아니구나라는 생각을 하게끔 만드는 계기가 된 것 같습니다.
Well, I think you have to give credit to our director Hwang, for his really just subversive and innovative thinking on his part. And, you know, I definitely felt like, oh, they don't call him a genius for no reason.
And Im Shi-won, your character seemed like he was trying to want something better for his ex and the baby. Were you surprised at how fans have been reacting to your character? Some are rooting for them to get back together, some not such big fans.
우선 그러한 노력이 있는 것 같다라고 말씀을 해주셔서 정말 감사드리고요. 사실상 준이에 대한 마음은 진짜였던 것 같아요. 하지만 그 속에서 돈에 대한 욕심도 버릴 수 없었기 때문에 계속해서 악수를 두게 되는 결과를 초래하게 됐는데요. 저는 이 두 사람의 사랑이 명기 때문에 아름다운 결말을 맺지 못한다라고 생각하는 사람입니다.
저도요.
First of all, I want to thank you for even thinking that Myung-gi is making an effort to give Junhee and the baby like a better future. Thank you for saying that. I do feel like his heart was true to Junhee, but he ultimately just could not let go of the greed for the money, and so I think that leads him down the wrong path of making wrong choices. And ultimately, I feel like even if they tried, that their love would not be able to be a good coordination because of Myung-gi and Yuri. I think I also think the same.
Yeah, I guess actions speak louder than words. Maybe I'm just a hopeless romantic at heart, and that's why I say that he's trying to make an effort. Now, I also wanted to ask, how do you think you would both fare if you were in Squid Game in real life? Do you think that there's any game that either of you would do well at in real life? I feel like I would not do well at any of the games.
네, 실제 오징어 게임 참가자였다면은 자신 있다.
Between season 3 only, or
do you want just games?
Season 3 or past seasons, it could be any of them. Yeah. I'm thinking the only one I might do well in would be hide and seek, and I would just have to hide the whole time.
저는 숨바꼭질을 잘 할 수 있을 것 같은데 시즌 2, 3 통틀어서 얘기하셔야 됩니다.
저는 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다랑 무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다로 하겠습니다.
For me, I will say red light, green light. I think that's the one I have the most, possibility.
My pick is 제기차기 because I have practiced a lot for shooting, so
that makes sense.
Yeah.
And then I also wanted to ask, did either of you take anything from the set? I've asked everyone, and so far the only person who's said that they've taken anything was Lee Byung-hun. He said he took the mask.
그 추리닝을 정말 너무 가지고 싶었는데 아직 못 받았어요. 그래서 기회가 된다면 촬영할 때 진짜 제가 입었던 그 추리닝을 받아서 집에 이렇게 고이 모셔두고 싶어요.
I really, really want the tracksuits that we were wearing. And if it were up to me, I would love to ask for the tracksuit that my character was wearing and just hold on to it as a precious item.
저는 그 코스튬을 받으면 집 중간에 디스플레이를 해놓으려고요.
If I ever receive my tracksuit, I am going to display it in the very middle of my home.
Hello and congrats to you both on this new season of Squid Game. I really enjoyed it. How does it feel for both of you to finally have this coming out?
이제야 끝을 보는구나. 2부에서는 왜 저렇게 끝나 그러고 너무 저도 시청자의 입장으로 너무 화가 났었는데 이제 드디어 개봉박도 두근두근두근 두둠 하고 있습니다.
Yeah, finally there's going to be closure to this grand saga. And for season 2, I was also angry as a fan to be, cut off at such a cliffhanger. And now it's finally coming, season 3, to Doom.
Yes. And have you both, this will air after everything is out, but what do you think fans are how do you think they will react when they see the final episode and how everything plays out?
굉장히 신선한 충격을 받으실 거라고 생각합니다.
I think everyone would be thrown off at the ending of season 3.
Well, Kang Hae-shim, your character had such an emotional arc this season. What was it like acting through that and what she went through with her son, and how things ended for your character in such a traumatic way, I feel like.
한국적인 정서랑 또 많이 맞닿아 있어요. 슬픈 정서가 우리 한국이 역사적으로 좀 힘든 일들을 많이 겪다 보니까 그래서 그런 어릴 때부터 그런 거에 접하고 우리는 이제 6.25라는 한국 전쟁이 있었어요. 그래서 우리 바로 윗세대 부모님한테 그런 얘기를 듣고 자라고 헤어지고 사륙의 과정 이런 슬픔이 이렇게 있어서 그런지 많이 슬프면서 그게 좀 감정이입이 잘 됐던 것 같아요.
I think the traumatic experiences that Hae-shim goes through is pretty much in line with the feelings that are very solely Korean, because Korea has a very traumatic history with this Korean War. It's still a divided nation and people were separated and then there was a massacre. So all of these kind of tied into my character in a way. So it was easy for me to kind of immerse myself into the character, thinking of her as like a representation of Korean history as well.
And Park Sung-hoon, your character also had a very intense episode during the hide and seek episode. What was it like for you acting through that?
일단은 금자와 준이 그리고 새로 탄생한 아이를 지켜야겠다는 그런 사명감이 굉장히 컸던 것 같고 그래서 자신을 희생하더라도 최대한 이들을 구할 수 있는 방법을 모색했던 것 같아요.
I think my character Hyunju felt a sense of duty to protect Kumja here, Junhee, and her newborn baby as well. So even if it meant sacrifice for him, he really wanted to save all of them.
And what do you think your characters, or how did you personally react when you found out that the baby was going to become one of the contestants in the Squid Game? I was shocked. I thought the baby would, I don't know, be disqualified or something because it's a baby, you know?
그만큼 얼마나 점점 사람이 어떤 그 고위층? 돈 있고 뭐 그런 사람들이 얼마나 생명을 함부로 여기고 아나문이 되는가에 대한 그런 그 좀 공포와 분노를 좀 느꼈죠.
I know. So it kind of shows how the wealthy and the powerful, the people behind the games and the VIPs, they look down on life and they have like no respect for life. So I felt a lot of fear and anger as well towards their decision to do that.
And Kang Hae-shim, what was your reaction when you found out that the VIPs were actually playing the game this season and being a part of the game that way?
진짜 그 폭력의 극한을 치닫는구나. 그냥 동물 사냥을 에서 이제 인간 사냥까지 가는구나. 이게 인간이 어디까지 폭력적일 수가 있을까? 정말 최악의 퇴보를 하는구나라는 생각을 했습니다.
So I thought, violence was reaching its peak, and it's as if they're hunting people, not animals. And I could feel how violent people are becoming. And I felt that, while we think the human race is evolving, I felt like they were going backwards. They were receding.
And Park Sung-hoon, how do you think you would do at Squid Game in real life? Every time I've watched every season, I feel like there's not one single game that I would win at. I feel like I would die very fast.
일단 2라운드에서 공기가 선택이 된다면 좀 잘할 수 있을 것 같아요. 거의 파이널까지 갈 수 있을 것 같은데. 근데 제가 실제로 극 중에서는 제기차기를 했는데 제기를 정말 못 참니다.
I think it really depends on what game I get to play in round. The 5 stones, then I'm going to do very well, and maybe I'm going to go all the way to the final stage. But in the show, I had to play Chegi, which I'm really bad at. So if I get to play Gongi, then I'll make it to the final. Then I'll make it to the finals.